Hello folks, and welcome to my 5th day of the Always Learning Jam. So I've made the health bar actually work, because before it was just an image. So I collect health and the health goes up. I also spent a lot of time on this crate to try and get items to spawn out of it, and that just I spent like 4 hours on that. It doesn't work. All it does is it just, once you hit it, the lights turn off and the image changes, which I guess is something. So I guess I could use it as a target image, like for practicing shooting. I also, if you can't tell, I made an enemy that looks at you and follows you around, and it doesn't do much more than that right now, because I was working on trying to make it so that it would shoot back and stuff, but I'm having some bug issues with that too. And earlier I had an issue where my items weren't working, so I couldn't, at least not the blaster one. It was like breaking the game. I don't know why. So I had an issue where my blaster items weren't working. The blaster ones are the blue ones, rockets are the purple, and then you get health off the red ones. This one took forever to get working. I spent 4 hours trying to get it to work. And I mean, I did get it to work, so that's good. But like, it took me forever. I wish I had got the crates to work, because that would have been great. Because I like the look of the crates, and otherwise they're just like a random target item that gives off light. And much more importantly, I wish I could get these enemies to shoot and stuff, because that's not working. I think the biggest problem, because both the enemies and the crates, the two things I haven't been able to solve, they both require groups, and I don't know. I think I'm doing something wrong with the groups. I've been making them global. Here, I'll show off a little bit. So I've been making them like global groups with the player or whatever ticked, the thing that you need ticked, and I've got so much code that I'm just like having a hard time keeping up with everything. Like, look at how many scripts I have here. So many scripts, and there's going to be even more of them. That blaster error I was having was like somewhere, I don't know where it was exactly, but it was kind of like, it might have been globals, where it was saying that like it said something like blaster is like not a variable or something. So I had to look through basically all of my scripts for anything that just said blaster instead of blaster amount. And eventually I kind of just went, okay, maybe I'll just try running the game again. So I cleared my error codes and I ran the game again, and I didn't have any problems. So I don't know what fixed it. And that's not something that needed a group. So I think that's part of the reason why I was able to solve it. I looked up stuff about groups, and I don't get what I'm doing wrong, because as far as I can tell, making things global groups and then letting that connect to each other, that should work fine. Like I got globals, right? And this is a thing that I've got the actual global groups, and I've got fighter in this one. So today's been a big struggle day. I've definitely not made as much progress as I was hoping to make, because I really wanted to get the enemies up and running, but it's not happening yet. So hopefully I can get them done tomorrow, because it's getting real close to the deadline. And I think I'm gonna be solving my problems last second. That's what I think is gonna end up happening, and I really hope not. So wish me luck. Well, folks, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.